Now, the bonhomie surrounding Kartarpur corridor seems to be short-lived. Pakistan has once again backstabbed India. This as its cabinet, under the leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan, meets today to declare a part of Pakistan Occupied Kashmir an interim province of Pakistan. Wion has learnt Pakistan's Imran Khan government will declare Gilgit-Baltistan as an interim province of Pakistan. Today, India maintains there is no such entity as Gilgit-Baltistan. By giving the region the status or interim province, Gilgit-Baltistan will have additional powers to exercise. And Wion has accessed the document which will be presented in Pakistan's cabinet meeting today by the Kashmir and Gilgit-Baltistan minister. Remember, the area was illegally occupied by Pakistan and has been administered by the federal government of Pakistan till now. India considers Gilgit-Baltistan as part of undivided Jammu and Kashmir. Also, according to the UN Charter, it can't be declared as part of Pakistan as it's a disputed territory. So Pakistan needs a constitutional amendment to give it the status of an interim province. Presidents of the region have time and again protested against Pakistan's illegal and forced occupation. Activists have taken to the streets in Pakistan Occupied Kashmir and London, demanding an end to the decades-long subjugation and economic depredation.